Hey everyone, today we're going to be making a vanilla drip cake. So here are the ingredients that you will be needing for this cake. Make sure you have everything at hand. And here I'm just showing you guys the type of ingredients that I will be using. I like to use organic butter and just organic eggs, farm-raised eggs. Just my choice, does not have to be the exact thing for you. It can be whatever you desire, but it's just my particular preference. I love to use almond milk instead of whole milk because I don't really like milk. So now we're going to start. I'm going to preheat my oven to 380, and right here I'm buttering my butter already, mixing my butter, and just adding some sugar. All by parts. Don't try to do it all at the same time and too quick. I'm here just speeding it up for you so it can be quicker and you can understand better. Alright, so. And then I added my eggs in here, which I did not add in the video. And then just adding my vanilla extract to give it that delicious flavor. Make sure you use good quality vanilla. Right, and then just gradually incorporate your flour, make that fluffy, put it at the speed you desire, add your milk. You can use whole milk, remember, it's just my preference. So meanwhile my cake is still running, I'm going to go ahead and just line my little 6-inch cake tins, and then I'm going to gradually scoop in part by part. I like to dollop one at a time just so I can get kind of balanced out measuring. And that way my cakes are somewhat the same level, and if not, I just level them out at the end. And bump it on your counter, get those air bubbles out of there. Many air bubbles will be going to this. And here, just go ahead and place them in your oven, and depending on what type of oven that you have, it may take a few minutes longer, a few minutes shorter to bake. And then once they're done baking, it took about 30 to 40 minutes, I believe. And now just take them out and let them cool. I'm going to go ahead and place them on my cooling rack. These were smelling so fantastic. The entire kitchen, the aroma was just fascinating. And now I'm going to go ahead and get started on my buttercream. So this almond extract is the secret to having the best tasting buttercream. You do not understand the difference that it makes, but oh my goodness, it is just marvelous. Go ahead and just whip my butter up, add my vanilla when it's nice and pale and white. And then you're just going to go ahead and gradually add your powdered sugar. Do not add too much and have it whisking really quickly because you will become a snowman. So just be gradual with it and you'll be fine. And with the almond extract, it is delicious, but a little goes a long way. That's why it's only a teaspoon. And here I'm just going to go ahead and level out my cakes. And I try not to take off an excessive amount simply because I love cake and I'm not going to let it go to waste. So I will be eating all of this after. Alright, and then just place some buttercream on your turning table to try and keep it in place. Mine was being very rebellious and coming and moving off the turning table, but it's okay, don't worry about it. And you're going to see that with the fact that I did not line and level the cakes very, very equally. There's going to be big gaps, but it is okay because I will be filling in those gaps with much more buttercream because this buttercream is just so delicious that you really won't mind. And it's just going to be a beautiful naked cake. I think naked cakes are just beautiful. It's really just an excuse to not fully coat and cream all of your cake. However, it is still so good. Alright, so now we're just finishing it off with my delicious chocolate ganache. I love drip cakes. I think they're so gorgeous. And I went ahead and actually made cupcakes for Father's Day, And this is just leftover macaroons that I use. If you want to see that recipe, you can check that out also. And this is the beautiful end result. It's gorgeous, it's delicious, and it's so easy to make. You need to make this cake. I promise. It is so moist. Everybody will love it. Thank you so much for watching my video, you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more of these. And go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my website. Thank you so much.